Morning, folks. Our lovely Liebherr fridge freezer arrived on Friday. No, it didn't. It arrived on Thursday. And it has a 10-year parts and labour warranty. It has a display panel that tells you the temperatures. If I leave the fridge door open, it beeps at me. And the thing is absolutely vast. All the little tail end snips and scraps from my other fridge have gone into this fridge. I keep saying fridge freezer. Into the fridge. It's huge. So that is Liebherr with a 10-year parts and labour. Listen, can't hear a thing. It's silent. Love the thing. It's huge, and I'm going to thoroughly enjoy filling it with all sorts of things now.